lots of alright and then gone. Yeah. That's my child girl from Stone there. Sean, the one country that you need to come on home. No better than this. Then it took me home. Yeah, they gone though. Now I'm going to see the sauce in my glass. So it's called improvement. So when you see shot captain say, but take off the weight and but look what I mean, I was sleep on and what from doing. Yeah. You see? Shanti went good. So whatever we're doing because healthy lifestyle, eating healthy, don't eat after 6 because sometimes eat after 6. You understand? Shanti was good. They got the girls team around, but they are made to Super G. More FM? Yeah. Super G, you know I'm a talk dance, I'm an artist, don't you? So, when you hear this song and I say, husband, when Super G I say,
I want to search it, then I want to tell
Super G, it's back in like you can't just sit up for my husband, you know. Yo, man, I like Super G have some nice lyrics. I like him music. In this too? That's him, same man.
name say listen to the hard rain outside.
Oh, that's exciting.
What name?
But you could start sign out everybody car will take it down. Alright.
And I wait to sit. Remember, I was when they were all a reasoning about relationship and why we decide to we not cheat, right? Now, as we him just say a while ago, is that what is the why you not cheat?
Huh? I not cheat?
Yeah.
I basically not cheat because of too much work. We basically have to cut up in the belly and leave it because the belly look like it push up too much or something. Yeah, I basically big like one time, that's true. Yeah, leave trim your people, just to get trim, just to get fresh up, you know. But yeah, power me there, yes. The reason why I know it because why not cheat because of too much work. You have to delete message. You have to block and unblock people. Then you have to worry about if one of these days, everybody know my wife. Then I have to worry about if one of these days somebody walk out to her either on TikTok, message up on YouTube or Messenger and walk out to her as a woman. I can't handle all of that stress. Then if somebody call me late at night, then I have to try think about some excuse where I say, or think about something. I don't got the time for all of that. So basically, I just not do it. And at the end of the day, if I not do it, I know why I not do it because I know how I feel to get cheated upon and I know a good feeling. So being that I know why I go through that feeling again, I just not do it none at all. Because if my wife they be loyal to me now and I figure and I want to cheat, that means I don't respect she at all. Because if she give me she loyalty and my wife got everything what I want, why must I cheat?
So personally, I can. Oh, they go orange walk.
The orange walk, yeah.
Okay. So police them. Personally, as we say, it's very clean. Now, tell them about the girl we just tell about.
What the one call me late? Huh? The one there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so basically when I date the crosses, when I call her crosses, right? When I date she know. So I meet this girl at the call center and me and she start golly thing. And she I know that my daughter never born yet. My daughter never born yet.
At the time?
At the time, no, my daughter never born yet. And basically, she know I got somebody and think I'm just, oh yes. So, that this happened when I'm there at the call center. So, she know I got somebody and at the time, she never got nobody at all. But we decided for still entertain each other, still got sexual relationship, they kind of way, you know. So now, look like she start falling in love with the newness charm now. She decide one night misses that time there, she was call me big 11 o'clock that night. So I said, why they call me for? She don't got nobody for talk to, so she want to talk to me. Keep in mind, she know I got somebody. And she still want call me and try put like, okay then, the boundaries why I don't set, she will overcome the boundaries. So I said to myself, me can't go through the type of hasslement there. Cause then you have to delete messages and all of that thing. They think that too much work, they think that a lot of headache. They think that like I would have said you put yourself in a problem when no need for that. If you stay loyal, you don't even have to worry about nobody there. Message your phone any in a kind of explicit kind of way. You don't have to worry about nobody to call to your spouse or your girlfriend or boyfriend and they try to come to us as a man or call to us as a female or anything like that. So you better just stay loyal less problem. And that's how the thing said, you know.
So basically, you have experienced what it is like to be cheated and to be a cheater.
Yeah. As I know, I'm not perfect. Back in the days, I'm not perfect. But now I get all the way. Now, I hit the on my mother. Back then, I never really worry about forgot stable. Nobody at time. Nobody at around that time there. So, yeah. But when they call to be by the opposite side of the table, forget cheated on, fuck, it just died. You can't eat for days. Every time you don't want to eat, you drink tea with rum, afternoon rum, evening rum, can't sleep that night. When you see the person, fuck you, that's why choke down for it.
Do you think female born hotter or male born?
What female born will always be hotter, cause we as man, when we cheat as man, we cheat without feelings. That's why a lot of men could actually say they could go cheat and then come back to their girlfriend or come back to their wife, and that's it. But when a female cheat now, a female have to cheat with feelings. And as man, the way how me perceive my wife or at that time my girlfriend back in the days, I put her in a trophy with a case around it. So basically, when she cheat that like other man, they put their hand on my trophy. And basically if they put their hand on my trophy, I basically see my trophy as my trophy not good again, because my trophy that for all of me touch. So as soon as somebody could touch my trophy, where all of me is supposed to could touch and all of me got the key for the lock, basically, and I want it again, and it's more hotter, because you are start imagine now, if the man do a better job than you are start imagine how the man thinks in the pot and she put it in back. You are start thinking about all of that thing that check. You only hurt more like what I say, because female cheat but I'm more build like emotional bond with the person where they cheat with. So we as men, we gotta always feel it more when they go to the females too. But in my view, I would say.
You see, the thing about it is, as I say yesterday, a lot of people, females and males out here, they know modern days. Well, I mean, in modern days, nobody wants to take the time out to go up and look at date. Nobody wants to take the time out for actually spend some time and get to know somebody and have a conversation with them.
You know what that the modern day version as a date? What date always mean most of the time now, that when the date done, the hotel room, sex and all of that. So they don't really got dating what common, like what I say, okay, we just want to eat out, feel each other energy, if your headspace there, part my headspace there. And for then you know if you want to continue talk right there, or if you want to continue talk, or if you want to block each other and kill it right there. Because remember, you don't know whether the person headspace until you go part date. Because remember, I could text me, and I could tell you where you are here, you could tell me where I want here, but when we reach face to face, then you have to say what am I headspace. You could ask me certain questions, and depends on how I answer, you could decide if we are continuing this dating thing, if the dating will lead into a relationship, or best we just go separate ways. So usually that, and people don't do that no more.
Oh, you know this was going to lead up to marriage?
Well, I basically know this may lead up to marriage, because I basically see you as a woman who make a principle, right? You for right off the bat, I wanna say, you make I know what you want. You know, beat around the bush or talk to me in a parables or run me in a roundabout. You make I know this is what I want. If you don't want this, well, you can let me go. This is what I want. could work towards it. Either a serious person or not into games. And basically that's why I want. I want a serious person, and basically you may basically go, because I love thick body woman. So being that you go to me with a thick body, that to me that me a plus. And I never forget that time when I go home hungry and the fresh rice and beans, hot rice and beans and thing, the day and I taste the food. I said, boy, that is it.
So do you believe that you want it to be kept? It's more of you did already set it in your mind. Say, okay, then this is what I want, and once I find a woman to deliver, that's it.
Yeah, once I find a woman with all of the qualities what I want, where I can show that I into she and she into me same way, and she basically into the entertain this one per Facebook or message or flirtatious that kind of way there. I will capture quick, because nowadays I find a woman who willing for motivate you, who willing for beat a rock there, and when you do wrong, they make you know that you do wrong, because they know a text side to. They have to be straight and honest with you, feel me? If I do the wrong, I want my wife tell me, B, I do the wrong, or B, you could have done this, but this would have turned out for you better. That's not what I want. I don't want make you the yes to me. So how I will build myself, continue to build myself as a person, then I still have to reciprocate that to you. Yeah. Just like how you build me, I have to build you back. I have to build you back that kind of way there.
Because when I hear people say, oh, she got like a shell on her husband, how does that make you feel?
Well, when people say that, my head gets well. It make I feel good, because my wife always big me up, and when everybody say, oh, your wife the team, or your wife, I say, yes, that's not my wife, because I can hold my head up high and I could say, my wife not out there on the street, they do anything out of the way. And when it make I feel good too, because people put it like this, the rocket science. Anybody come post pictures with their boo, or post up their boo, or make videos with their boo, so they don't really want rocket science and what my wife to do. Everybody have phone, everybody got social media, so basically if you want to big up your husband or big up your wife, just get a camera, wanna go to a restaurant, enjoy the time together, catch it per camera, video it, and post it up. That basically the same thing what my wife to do. So I don't know why people make it be a problem unless she alone act like she got a husband.
Maybe I just she alone want to give her husband him flowers. And she alone value the effort that her husband put, because I think, Mama tell you see, I see life as is a two-sided table, right? You have your side, I have my side. And what I see going on, people only look on for them side of the table. Yeah. They're not looking at somebody else's side of the table, because if you want a man to love you, you have to love back the man.
But that's like, you
have to encourage him.
Like the way you have to look back to the side of the table, right? That's like if I go out there and I want to flirt with other people and that kind of thing there, I have to think about how I may feel basically if my wife out there to do the same thing. So I have to put myself not only for seat for one side, I have to seat for she side too.
Yes, I'm tell you, the table have two sides, but and everybody look on it that way. Some people want to look on it like to say, okay, then only them are feelings, and them alone are gonna lose, and them are this. So them not care about how they make you feel.
Yeah. Okay, then let's take it for a while, one-sided.
Then them wonder why it not last, why. And the next thing too, people are got in a relationship with all baggage. Oh, every man a dog. Whatever you put out in the universe, that's what you're gonna get back.
Or some go in a new relationship and say, oh, my ex does do me the same thing. Oh, you know, just like this one, they start compare their whole relationship to the new relationship, so the relationship will never go.
It crashed before it even started.
Because that, as a man that would be annoying, or as a female that would be annoying. Imagine you get in a relationship with a female, and all the female do that basically, you do this just like my ex, or this and this just like my ex. You get tired of hear that. Basically, you say, well, if you go back to your ex, then if you want to compare me, if you think, well, he's so much, well, it's the best thing you go back to the man. That's why you get in a new relationship if that he stay to compare me, if that he you want talk about all the time.
That's why I tell people I can't bring my past with me. My past and my past. When me I go with it, you have a whole starting over, fresh, everything fresh, and then you come now and talk about what that did happen from 19 all long and like I may focus and I saw me stay. I may live my truth. If you live your truth, why are you upset when you see somebody else happy in a relationship?
You know that supposed to worry that you yourself supposed to worry about your own past. When you find somebody else, they worry about your past.
And
whether for you and invested in your past, that means enough to say about a person. That person a different type of mental patient or something like that.
Because the thing about it is, as I'm tell people every day, everybody have skeleton in them past. Everybody do stupid things. It's okay, but do not live in that same time era all your life. 5, 6, 7 years, you're just still doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result. That don't make no sense. You have to learn from your mistake and not repeat it. You understand me? So I just look on the and I say, listen. And it have to do with the kind of people we're their own. You understand me? It have to do with the crowd, we're in the environment and all of them something. So with saying all of that, you have to change your environment, change your people, change your mindset and work for better. If a marriage you want, you have to think like a husband, think like a wife. You understand me? If you want to be successful, you have to think like a rich. So the energy where you attract is richness. You have to think that, okay, then I want my brains, my vocabulary to grow, to expand, to evolve. Stop thinking, oh, me done, oh, me this, oh, me that. You curse yourself. And then you vex when you realize all sort of crosses are coming your direction.
Then you wonder why.
You attract all sorts of dirty man. Because I used to all man of dogs. So every dog from the east and the west and the north and the south is going to be coming on to you. But you got to blame this and blame that. No. I've always said to myself, I want a man who is emotionally available for me. I want somebody who's going to interact with me. Somebody who's going to make me feel like, say, it's worth his time. You understand me? No man, the water deep, baby.
Because you know, females always feel for satisfy a man, the rocket science.
No, them think sex alone satisfy a man.
Yeah, all we need, there's somebody where they for when we the fall, for pick we up. We need good sex, we need good food, we need a woman who can hustle. Like once I done you're sick, well, basically you could depend on the woman to get things done. And that basically it. Then they might get more when they go to other different males' perspective, but when they go to some, that basically it. It's good sex, good food, motivation. You're there for pick up the man when it falls short. Remember, man usually go through mental battles where only he know where he they go through. We have to worry about if we not got no job. I don't know how you feel for no job. Well, I know how you feel for got no job, but no job with picnic. But when a man got picnic and no job, he to go through the storm because he have to wonder how he feed his kids. Then he have to wonder how he pay rent. Then remember, if you go home with nothing in your hand, the kids will have to look for her like daddy. Basically, where we are eat tonight.
Yes, Lord.
Yeah. Yeah, they have to watch by the man like that where we eat tonight. Then if he can't provide it, then it make you feel less of a man. Because once we once we pick near woman ask we for something and we can't get it, we feel bad. And sometimes most of the time that lead to make man go out, go rob, make man go thief, make man go kill people for their thing there. As basically you are provide for your family, but sometimes the all kind of
Mental
yeah, all kind
struggles.
of there, you know the way.
Fear man
Yep.
than a woman. I buy my straw for drink with vinegar water so that it don't mash up my teeth. And my husband. Huh? Yeah, man, it's a record to me. Yeah.
That's it.
That's right.
You want to continue the video? Will that be a video for today?
Yeah, we just record everything.
Start or something like
Yeah.
that. Oh, you're still there, roll?
Yes. Come. So today it's about Mr. and Mrs. Nunez, explaining the pressure that man goes through as a male figure in the home and what it is to actually be a leading partner and the one who provides. You understand? That is the reason why no woman can come tell me about independent and whatever, because it's very strainful and stressing when I hear alone I carry the burden of a relationship. Especially as a single mother, I can tell. Now, me and we are married and we are together, Mr. and Mrs. Nunez. And everything we do it together. And that is the reason why the load is not very hard to carry, because even if something happened to him mentally, emotionally, I detect it because we are married. So as the Bible says, we're no longer two but one. Even if him there at work and something happened to him, I can feel it because we share energy together. And that is the reason why when we spoke about the cheating thing, yes, whenever you cheat or you sleep with more than one person, you pick up them energy. And that's why a lot of females have anxiety and panic attack and them have mood swing and different personality, because whenever you lay them with somebody else, you pick up them energy.
Then you know where you do too? Like when you cheat and you not get catch, you do it again and you do it again and again and again and again and again and again like that. Like it give you like a high because you not get catch. So people will cheat with a do it over and over and over and over.
But then the whole thing about it is them pick up all of the cheating, but then them pick up energy, them pick up people's spirit.
But remember, people don't know. Remember, there's a lot of people they don't know about pick up energy and things. There's a lot of people don't know about that. So they don't know where they pick up for.
Information is power.
And a lot of people don't get it. Because if you say, well, I don't like how this make I feel because they give me a low vibration or if they affect my energy. That kind of conversation you can't get with certain people, then you can't blame them because they just don't know.
They don't know.
They don't know. Then just like what I tell you, when they go to a man, when they go to a mental struggle with a lot of man, then remember, as man, we care, how would I say, we care, most of the time, we shame for explain we for sure emotions, because the minute we show emotions,
them say
everybody say we're weak.
Society
make it look like, okay, if a man show emotions, we weak.
And basically,
yeah, as a man, you know why I look weak. So basically, if you go through what category 5 in your mind, you will keep that thing to yourself, because basically,
go through depression.
You went through your thing yourself, because the minute you open your mouth, they'll say you as weak. They'll say, okay, then you're supposed to look strong 24/7 because you're a man. Then when they go to different, what I say, counselor and that kind of thing there, sometimes they're not confidential. We as men or even females, when they go talk to the people that, you know, they give their counseling and advice and that kind of thing there, they go about and spread it out. So basically,
not even that too, not even friend and family can tell, because
yeah, they spread it out.
A girl up on the internet named and she and her husband I go through something and him and her have back and forth and him must cuss her now and vice it and she give it to the one and the mackerel and mackerel leak it out. So you see, remember me always tell her say it's not even good for ask advice outside the relationship. It's best you can ask, but I think you have to ask people who have good intentions.
Because you know, if you ask, let's just say we go through something and you ask somebody, all of a sudden you'll be like, girl, girl, this team will pretend like your marriage so good, they got problem, this that way you could tell me, and you act like, yeah, that happened.
Because listen, as I'm tell people most of the time, friendly face with evil heart are one of the worst experience you can ever experience, because guess why? Them are come in front of you and laughing in your face and make it seem like everything is okay, but behind closed door or inside of them thoughts is very negative. You understand me? And when you realize that that's what you have to come up against sometimes, because I've seen where you go through the same experience where you share certain details with persons and you hear it back and you're like,
That's true.
and the worst thing about it, and how you and a person have the conversation, then go back, go say it, then put it in a one totally different.
Add head and tail and back and leg to the story.
And then it seems as if you were saying something bad. So you see, because of that now, I would say this to each and every person in a relationship or marriage, take my foolish advice. Keep people out of your relationship. Keep people out of your marriage. You can attest to that. And everybody have a good intention for you, and everybody is happy to see you happily married or to see you in a function and a healthy relationship. I've experienced that. Nobody can come to me about my husband. I'm gonna tell my husband the same thing. Whenever there's a situation, let us go in private and sort it out, and everybody come with a good heart and a good
Remember,
mind.
so people need to learn. For if you and your spouse or you and your girlfriend or boyfriend they go through something, and let's just say they're out by the street, we don't need to make the whole street know that. We don't wait till they reach home, settle on the issues, talk, and reason right there. We don't have to do World War V to make the whole community know that a problem that happened between you and that kind of thing. You don't need no need to happen.
True that. Say don't let a girl team are.
Mr. Nunez.
And we are having a discussion today. It's about relationship and marriage. Please like, share and subscribe. If you want more content like this, go in the comment section and make me know. Alright, have a wonderful day. Stay tuned.